What's up guys? Welcome to my channel if you are new. If not, welcome back. If you are new, please do not forget to subscribe to my channel so you never miss another skincare or hair care video from me. So today I have another skincare video for you guys featuring the Biossance Your Favorite Kit from Aimee Song. Now this skincare kit can be purchased straight from the Biossance website or from Sephora. It normally retails for $88. I picked mine up from Sephora during their VIB sale, so I got a little bit of money off of this kit. So this is what the kit looks like. This is how it comes packaged, beautifully packaged. And this is what the back looks like. This is the sleeve. Now, I picked up this skincare kit because I heard of Biossance from a family member. A lot of their products feature the ingredient squalene in them, which squalene is great for the skin. I mentioned it in another video. I'll just put something up top to kind of list the benefits of squalene so you guys can see. But after taking the sleeve off, it comes in this beautiful little makeup bag that has Biossance there on the front. So it came packaged in this beautiful wrapping. I have taken a lot of the wrapping off, and this is what it says inside. Hopefully you guys can see it. But it came absolutely beautifully packaged and beautifully wrapped. Now, this Biossance kit is in collaboration with influencer Aimee Song. I have never heard of Aimee Song. I don't know who she is, but definitely appreciate the fact that she collaborated with Biossance on this project. So let's go ahead and get into what came inside. So the first product I want to mention is one of the products that I was most excited to try when going on to the Biossance website, and that is the Squalene Plus Vitamin C Rose Oil. This is a luxurious lightweight oil that delivers a trifecta of skincare goodness. The packaging is absolutely beautiful. I love it. This is a very lightweight oil that I love to use after all of my skincare is complete. It absorbs very nicely into the skin, leaving my skin feeling extremely hydrated. Also, it has a very faint rose scent, which I love because I absolutely love rose and I love this product. So the next product I want to mention from the skincare set is the Phyto plus Retinol Squalene Serum. So this is a lightweight, powerfully effective serum formulated with bakuchiral, which is a plant-derived alternative to retinol. So unfortunately, I have yet to try this serum, so I cannot really give you guys like my thoughts or opinions or what I think of it, because I'm currently using another serum. However, with its anti-aging properties, I'm sure I'll love it once I get a chance to try it. So the next product I want to mention, I was super excited to see in the lineup because I am completely obsessed with lip products, and that is the Squalene Plus Rose Vegan Lip Balm. This is a luxurious 100% petroleum-free vegan formula that delivers plump, plush, and ultra-hydrated lips. Now, like I said, I am completely obsessed with lip products. This has a very faint rose scent. Once again, comes in the beautiful pink packaging like the oil did. It's a very lightweight and luxurious on the lips. I love this stuff. I haven't used too much of it because I'm currently going through another lip balm. I tried to ration out my lip balm, so I'm not using multiple at the same time, but I have used this on a couple of occasions and I absolutely love it so far. So the last product I want to mention that comes in this kit is the Squalene Plus Marine Algae Eye Cream. Now, this eye cream is supposed to give the eyes a lifted look while also reducing fine lines and wrinkles. I have only used this product once. I cannot tell whether or not it gives the eyes a lifted look. I guess only time will tell as I use it as time goes on. However, once again, squalene, which is great for the skin, is in there, so I'm excited to try this some more. So those are all the products that I have to mention. I am just super excited about using products that feature squalene in them. Like I said before, it is amazing for the skin. So yeah, so thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you have not already, please do not forget to subscribe to my channel and give this video a thumbs up, letting me know how much you like it. And I will see you guys in another video really soon. Bye.